Hello and welcome to the next video of Abacus series. In this video, we'll understand the concept of small friends. So what exactly is small friends? See, in Abacus, there are basically three types of formulas. One is small friend, big friend, and combination. The difference between the small friend and big friend is we have a main number in all the formulas. In small friend, the main number is 5. And in big friends the main number is 10. That is the difference. So because 5 is smaller than 10, so we the formulas which have 5 as the main number, we call it as small friend formula, and the formulas which have 10 as the main number, we call it as a big friend formula. So let's understand what the small friend formulas are. In small friends formula, as I said, there is one main number which is 5, and where do we use small friends formula? Where we cannot add the numbers directly. Here I am talking about small friends addition. First, understand what are friends. In small friends, the main number is 5. So we always form a pair. Sum of those two numbers should always be 5 in small friends. For example, if I talk about small friend of 1, what should be added in 1 to get 5? 4, right? So the small friend of 1 is 4. Friend of 2, 3 should be added to get 5. So friend of 2 is 3. Friend of 3 is 2 and friend of 4 is 1. As you can see, the addition of these two numbers is always 5. How we can remember small friends? We can remember using our hand. Like we have 5 fingers, so we'll take these as the main number. If I want to find the small friend of, let's say, 1, so fold that one finger and 4 is left. So the friend of 1 is 4. If I want to find the small friend of 2, it's 3. Small friend of 3. So I'll fold 3 fingers and left is 2. So small friend of 3 is 2. Small friend of 4 is 1. That's how we remember. But slowly, once we'll solve the problems, we'll remember the small friends. So these are the small friends. Small friend of 1 is 4, 2 is 3, 3 is 2, and 4 is 1. Now let's see how to solve the questions. So now we have understood the friends. Friend of 1 is 4, friend of 2 is 3, friend of 3 is 2, and friend of 4 is 1. Now how and where to apply the formula? Let's see. For example, our question is 4 plus 1. 4. Now I want to add 1, but I don't have a lower bit to add 1. So here we cannot do the addition directly. So here we'll use a formula. The only thing to remember here is when we are doing the operation of addition, we are adding a number. So our main number will be added, be it 5 or 10, small friend, big friend. Same concept in all the formulas. If we are adding some number, the main number, the sign of the number, the operation, and the sign of the main number should be same. So we are adding a number. So our main number is 5. That should be in addition minus friend. This is the formula. Add main number 5 minus friend dash. In dash, we'll use different numbers, different formulas, but this is the core concept. Now 4 plus 1. We have to add 1 here. Formula is add main number 5. So we'll add main number 5 minus friend. Friend of which number? Friend of 1, because we are adding 1 here. So what we'll do, I'll repeat once again. Now we are adding 1. This is the formula. Where we are adding 1 to 4. Our question is 4 plus 1. That means we are adding 1 to the 4. We cannot add 1 directly. This is 4, but we don't have lower bit. So we'll have to use some formula. 4 plus 1. We know that the friend of 1 is 4. So we'll use the formula. Add main number 5 minus friend. So friend of 1 is 4. So we'll minus 4 and we'll get the answer 5. This is the answer. Let's see one more example. Question is 4 plus 2. 4. Now we don't have lower beads to add directly, so we'll have to apply some formula. We'll use small friend. We have to add 2 to 4. So we'll use the formula. Add the main number 5. We have added the main number 5. Minus friend. Friend of 2. Friend of 2 is 3. So we'll minus 3 and we have got our answer, which is 6. So this is our answer. One more example. 3 plus 4. 3. We cannot add 4 directly. So we'll use the formula. Add the main number 5 minus friend. Friend of 4 is 1. So we'll minus 1. Answer is 7. So 3 plus 4 is 7. So that's how we use small friends. It's a very important formula. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment box. We'll make one more video with the practice questions of small friends. See you in the next video. Till then, happy learning.